Howdy y'all, this is Mike the Scavenger and it's a lovely morning. We're just gonna drive around and find some more stuff. What we got here, y'all, a little microwave. There's that cord cutter. I'll take a little microwave. Oh. Never heard of a West Bend. What's up, Steve? So lovely out today. Well, at the moment, it'll be a blistering oven in about 2 hours. Y'all look at that, it's another one of them mailboxes. That last one was cast aluminum. Let's see if it's the same. Oh. Good little chunk of metal right there. Oh yeah, this one's a little bit different. It looks like it might still be. Yeah, that last one, it had the little opening that said letters that you push through. It was a solid block of brass. I'll show y'all at the end, but that's a good find. I think I saw a toolbox back here, y'all. Yep, there's a little toolbox. Let's see what's in this tote. That's an empty box. Ooh, Christmas lights. Full of Christmas lights. Alright, that's what I'm talking about. Good little toolbox. A little chair. Let's see. That's in pretty good shape. Probably get a couple bucks for that. And then this missing the handle. Alright. Well, what we got here, y'all? Oh, it's all rusting. It's probably not any brass on there at all, but we'll get her anyway. Ooh, that's a pretty cypress tree. What we got here? Oh, what's up? Already stripped you down. Nice. Wave to the corgis. Oh. See what we got here, y'all. See a couple of those are those blow molds. I'm here to redeem myself, guys. Oh, those aren't blow molds. Those have money in them. Oh, here he comes. I'm coming, man. He's coming. Let's roll. Oh. I saw something, y'all. Let's go get it. Check it out. Mr. Ceiling Fan. Oh, and they took the blades off already for me. Sweet. Boy, that trash guy is fast. I can already hear him around the corner. I saw something just chilling. I can't see what it is. Oh. What is that? Oh, that's like a road sign or something. One of those construction signs. Sweet. That's like heavy duty aluminum on there. What's that on that trash, y'all? Is that a bag? It's like a bag. Cool. What we got here, y'all? Look at that big old kennel. And I hope it's still in okay shape. I'll take it. Oh, let's see. Yeah. Yeah, these things sell, man. Let's stick it back. Oh. What else we got over here? Hose. Plastic hose on the curb. Grab these real quick. Dirty mop. Woo, Taco Bell! Alrighty guys, well hey, we got just organized up here a little bit. We're gonna go hit this other neighborhood, just kind of going through what we got thus far. These are actually blow molds. Someone just cut the cords on the bag. Totally repairable, but the bottoms of them have cracks and it looks like some kids, well, somebody put pennies in there, and I know what they did. They put the pennies in there probably to weight it down so it would stay. This large kennel, took a little bit closer look at it. It needs a little bit of work, but I think I could tweak it, get it working, at least get 20 to 30 bucks for it. This guy just, boom. Enough said. And then, so yeah, we're just gonna run on over to this other neighborhood. See if we can fill up this part of the truck. Ow! What we got here, y'all? Looks like some scrap. Some scrappity scrap. Alright. Oh, that's just mostly glass right there. I don't want to mess with that. Alright. Sweet. Holy crap. What is going on here? Hello. Y'all see it? Oh, there's a little piece of scrap, but I see that too. I found one of these yesterday. Alright. Yeah, that guy. Let's go get it. And it looks like it's aluminum, which is a double plus. Yes, sir. I think it is. We'll check her out. Old crochet books. Crochet. Yeah, she's crocheting this massive doily for the couch. Look at these old books. 73. Whoa. 73. That's back before Mike the Scavenger was born. What we got here, y'all? Is that one of them electronic dartboards? Yeah, we'll take that. See if it plugs in. Alright. Look at that, y'all. That's pretty cool. Man cave stuff to go with my Bud Light. Grab that. Go with my Bud Light stuff. Good morning. All right. Yeah, they tossed out some good stuff. Yeah, oh, have they? Awesome, awesome. Well, you have a good day. Here goes a suitcase. See if there's anything in it. Oh, it's in bad shape. It's a hill figure, but yeah, it's all tore up. Yeah, she's empty. Ooh, it stinks. Gross. What y'all having that? Body parts? Ooh. I'm a scrap man. Bitty 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 bitty. What we got over here, y'all? Looks like a tote. Anything up in that tote? Is that all she wrote? Go for a ride on a boat? Nope. Saw something up on top of these boxes, y'all. What that is, what that is. It's like a motor car part. All right. What's up, bird? My trash. Look at that old Suburban, y'all. That's the kind you load the kids up in the back and go to the woods for the weekend. Huh. All right. What we got here? I'll take that stuff out for shizzle. Ugh. All right. Y'all check that out. What's that? One of those light up waterfall pictures? Wonder if it works. It looks okay. It looks like a bird took a dump on it though. Alright. Alright. Luckily I'm not too far from the storage unit. Alright. That's pretty cool. I hope it works. Right, Rob. It's a scrapper, y'all. Well, he's already been up in here. I'm looking at you. Alrighty, y'all, let's see if she works. Is that supposed to be the sound of water? That doesn't sound much like water. There's a few... Oh, there's the volume. So we have birds. Oh yeah, it does light up. And you've got the sound of birds and water. We just have to clean that bird doo-doo up. What are these lines right here? Like little air bubbles or something. I don't know, that's still kind of cool. Lights up, yeah. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but she's lighting up. Cool. Alrighty, y'all, let's check out these crochet magazines. I kind of looked them up online. There looks like there's people that sell these on Etsy. You know, $5-6 a piece, I think. There's a bunch of them in here. Y'all let me know. Yeah, 1975, so it looks like 70s. Golly. I've got a couple of blankets just like that my granny made me. Thanks, Granny, I still have them. Ooh, yeah, that's fun. How old is this one? Gosh, they look old. Well, if y'all know anything about this old crochet stuff, these old magazines, a good idea to do what to do with them, let me know. Better Homes and Gardens, 1976. Woo, man. That's like back when dudes were smoking a pack of cigarettes a day and drinking scotch for breakfast. Ow! Y'all check this out. We got a 60-gallon compressor up in here, y'all. Just got her in here. Up there we had to run a 220 volt. Be able to paint cars in no time. Ow! Let's see if these batteries work. Or this dartboard works. The batteries were pretty bad, so I took them out. We'll put some fresh ones in. Kind of scraped up the little contacts there just to, you know. I don't think it's too far gone. Okay, batteries are in. Power. Oh, you know what? It also takes a 9 volt. Let's go see if we have a 9. All right. Got us a 9 volt here. See if she comes on. Nope. Nothing, y'all. No new battery. With new batteries and a 9 volt. No bueno. Such a shame. Then we got this guy, which is, these are aluminum, but I mean, he's like just all kinds of locked up. I'm gonna have to chop him up, but what kind of flag is this? Okay. So it says road work ahead, Davey. Wonder if it's like a survey crew or something. Yeah, we're just gonna take this guy apart. He's got bolts and stuff. Y'all check this out. In this kennel, it's a pizza box or a pizza bag. Pizza jacket. It's disgusting though. But yeah, if you see right here, we got a little issue going on. But I'm gonna see if I can whip that up, fix that up real quick, because this guy's in good shape and it's a big one. So probably be able to get, well, yeah, we'll probably still be able to get 20 bucks for it, 20, 30 bucks. So yeah, let's see if we can fix this guy up right here. All right, well, so she seems to be, for the most part, functional. Just kind of down here. I mean, the dog can push at it, but being the size of this kennel, this dog ain't gonna get out. I was thinking about maybe some glue, but I don't think glue would hold. But I might try to push it together and see if I could run a little screw right through here. Just something to just hold it together. And, you know, should be able to fetch about 20 bucks for that. I don't see any reason why not. We'll hose it down, blow it out real good. But yeah, these things are in hot demand. People buy the crap out of kennels. Well, alrighty guys, let's see. Yeah, I found this also in that kennel, Chivas Regal, but it's empty. Alrighty guys, well, we got our little blow molds, so yay for me for grabbing them this time and not leaving them. They're probably not as good a shape as the other ones, but they're probably still worth a couple bucks. Y'all let me know. Got this mailbox back here. It's not as nice as that other one we found a while back. You know, the ones I was telling you that had the says letters, and then it's a little flap. Well, that's got brass on it. This guy's it's still aluminum, but there's not really a whole lot of brass. There's a little piece, got a little piece of brass right there, and then that's about it. And there's some of those pennies that were in the blow molds. I've got some stuff back here I need to sort a little bit more. Breakage. There's some plumbing. Get these brackets off the fans. And then this box of Christmas lights. I mean, hello guys. They don't work. I mean, scrapyards still give you good money for them. I mean, look at this. Still in the box. There's more of them down there. So I might end up being the hottest house on the block this Christmas with all this stuff I find. I don't know if the missus is all about looking like a used car lot, but hey man, show the joy. All right, y'all check this out. It's a little dusty. It's kind of cheap, you know. It's just a little plastic. I don't know what that process of a little press or whatever, but it's still pretty cool. You know, good little man cave item to go with the I still have the Bud Light and the yeah, that's it. I was thinking about that that dartboard, but it doesn't work, so yeah, that's kind of cool. All right, well, that looks to be about it, guys. Well, hey, I appreciate y'all tagging along on this curbside scavenging adventure today with me. I gotta go mow the lawn before it gets too hot. You guys take care. Oh yeah, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, hit me up on Instagram. Shout out to everybody about some merch if you're interested. Down below, couple of links: Teespring and Rockin' Timber, our Etsy page. Y'all take care. Have a wonderful week.